Welcome to 100 King George Terrace in Victoria's most desirable neighborhood.
Most iconic neighborhood, in fact, most iconic address. We're about to show you something that is so exquisite, you're not even gonna believe it.
Come with us and check it out. Luxury finishes, marble counters, Wolf appliances, sub-zero fridge, plumbed for an espresso machine, 2 sinks. With southwest exposure, this home is filled with natural sunlight.
And this is a primary bedroom that is so exquisite you would never want to leave. What did you put in your tea? Do you have sugar in there? Is it just black?
Just black.
Oh, cheers.